Hi, today we want to have the first video from the art therapy playlist. In this video, we are going to talk about how painting can reduce the stress and eliminate the tensions that arise from daily activities. I hope that it can be a great help in creating a good feeling and peace in you. Please subscribe our channel to be informed of new videos in the field of art therapy and painting trainings. Also, make us proud with your opinions. Thanks.
What? What?
As life gets busier, it is quite easy to get wrapped up in your daily routine and completely forget about your own well-being. We get it. We also have been there. Most of us have been going through life as if we are on a treadmill, working so hard to support our families, especially during the pandemic, that we've forgotten our own mental health. The needs of our families come before our own, and that's totally fine. But do you know the kind of pressure and impact it has on our mental state? It leads to us having extreme stress and even depression, with the constant worrying and anxiety of not knowing what is going to happen the next day. But do you know what you can do to help reduce stress and anxiety? Art. See, not only can we use art to express our innermost thought and feelings, but also as a medium for therapy and stress relief. Painting is super effective, so much so that even therapists recommend it to patients struggling with stress and depression. To understand this much better, let's take a look at ways in which painting helps reduce the stress. Painting helps take your mind off things. As adults, our day-to-day activities can be exhausting. It is not uncommon that one gets burned out easily. But after all this, painting tends to be one of the best ways one can relieve stress and anxiety. When you are engaged in an activity such as drawing or painting, you engage a different part of the brain, and you can get caught up in what you are creating, thus temporarily forgetting what's worrying you. Eventually, you will find yourself having stopped occupying your mind with unnecessary things, and that it's become clearer as they go by. Painting calms you down the way meditation does. You probably can attest to this, but creating articles or is equivalent to meditation. When you concentrate on what you are drawing, you usually shut yourself from any unwanted thoughts as you are completely immersed in the activity. You are in a zone, a state of flow, so essentially you will be driven in a near state of meditation, which eliminates your negative thoughts and lessens your stress. As your mind calms down, so does your anxiety level. Playing with colors boosts your mood. Did you know that when you are sad, depressed, or upset, colors can uplift your mood instantly? Colors such as yellow, blue, green, purple, or orange can brighten up your mood. And so using such colors to create art gets your mind relaxed and slowly starts relieving you from the daily stress. As a matter of fact, recent studies have proven that coloring geometric shapes do induce meditative benefits that are quite crucial and helpful to people struggling with the stress and anxiety. Getting creative. For you to create art, one has to get creative. That's a fact. In this instance, you will start to think outside the box, unconsciously or subconsciously, trying to come up with ways to express yourself or even create something new. Frankly, just immersing yourself in creating something for a person you love is extremely heartwarming, and engaging in such a process makes you feel good, happy, in control, boosting your mental health in the process. Through self-expression. As we mentioned earlier, painting is a great way of expressing our innermost feelings. Some of us find it really difficult to explain what we go through each and every day, especially with the pandemic at its peak. Probably because some people are unable to articulate what they are actually feeling or just don't want to talk about their problems altogether. If you are one of these people, did you know that you can express everything you are feeling through art? When you are unable to express yourself but wish to, painting helps you release all those emotions, as you are actually able to tell your story.